starts scrolling. A man is running for his life. This is Jacob. He is leaving everything behind. He stole his brother's blessing. Now his brother wants him dead. Jacob walks alone into the wilderness. No protection, no plan. The land feels endless. The silence feels heavy. Night falls. Darkness surrounds him. Jacob stops. He finds a stone. He lies down and sleeps. This is his lowest moment. Then the dream begins. He sees a stairway rising from the ground to the sky. It reaches into heaven. Angels move up and down the stairway. Heaven is open. God stands above it. God speaks. I am the Lord, the God of Abraham and Isaac. The land you are lying on belongs to you. Your family will spread across the earth. All nations will be blessed through you. I am with you. I will protect you wherever you go. I will bring you back home. I will not leave you. Jacob wakes up in fear. Surely the Lord is in this place, and I did not know it. He looks around the empty land. God was here. Jacob takes the stone he slept on. He sets it upright. He pours oil over it. He names the place Bethel, the house of God. Jacob makes a vow. If God stays with me, if God protects me, if God brings me home safely, then the Lord will be my God. Jacob walks forward with a promise. He is not alone anymore. God met him in the wilderness. God stayed with him on the journey. This is Genesis 28.